So first one is teddy bear, and this one is sandy bear.
You have to say second sandy bear.
Second is sandy bear.
Third Jeffy bear. No, third Jeffy bear.
You have two.
Second Jeffy bear.
Okay.
But second is over here.
Okay, teddy move.
Make a big one. I'm making a flower.
Make a flower. Wow.
This is stem.
Wow, so beautiful.
But I made that.
Wow, you already done one.
There were no leaves.
No leaves, yes.
That's a flower. Okay, that's a nice idea. I want to build one also. Can I build one, please?
Yeah.
What do I need? Round plates, circle plates.
And you put we're done.
Wow, that's big one. Wow.
Like this.
Compare your small one.
This.
Oh, yeah, can put in.
Oh, I
Put
see.
on.
But I need the middle side.
Okay, so get the medium size.
A small one.
So you guys plan to make dinosaurs, but now it's making flowers.
Okay, flowers. Yeah. Who started making the flowers?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey just got the six circle from counter. So
The 6 plates from the
Yeah.
counter. Then
and they just make the flower show to be wow. I didn't notice that. So and Cindy wanted, so that's why I okay take a video. Ooh. Eh? Can you see me?
And now is to put this. Look.
What are you doing, Jeffrey? Why you need to move that? And then put on small one.
I'm gonna put it on.
Oh. But you put on small one, can you put on big one?
I'm gonna put it more. It still works.
Oh, I see.
Use like a hair on.
I help you to get this. Help
This
me-
looks like
help
a
me to get the
Mickey. Look like a Mickey.
plate. Oh, like a Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Go, get the plate. Put the other back.
Which one?
The box
Which? This one?
on the floor. Put it back. Yes.
Lower.
Put this over there. Maybe you need a different plate. Try to think about, shape that might fit in there.
What shape?
Let me try. Do you think this fits?
Which way?
No. Oh, because you have to align them. Look at that. Here. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Let me try with this two first. You want to do this, right? Yes?
Yeah. Hey! I got two.
There you go.
But that one mine.
Hmm?
Mine.
Just have to align them. Look at that.
I don't want the young one right there.
That
Oh,
looks
yeah.
like a
Do the
Mickey
president one.
Mouse.
No, I put the ears together.
Oh, that's ears, right?
Ears are together. I stick the ears together. The ears are together.
It's done?
Is it done? Yes.
Yeah, you did it.
They pushed me.
Who pushed you?
Sandy.
Sandy pushed you. Because Sandy was looking for something. Wow, that's beautiful. Ooh, what the sun?
It just that noise.
Okay,
It just make that noise.
good job, Jeffrey.
Yeah, noise.
Yeah, good idea, good creature. Very good, Jeffrey.
Yeah, look at that. Daddy have a garden with
Oh, they did this.
flower. Let's
There's a
plant.
snot.
Yeah, it's not in here. See that? So you face this one. You need a snot.
Yeah. But Daddy, a boy can sit if you want.
Oh yeah, plate can sit also. You watch. There you go. That's one way to do
You
it.
forgot.
Yeah, but this is like illegal build. But if you want to do it the Lego way, you need to put a snot, right? That's also can do the same thing. See that?
Wow, beautiful.
And I need that plate.
This one?
I can see the snot behind.
You can see the snot from behind, yes.
It's not
But when you want to
green.
look at it, you look at from the front. Alright, yes. Now let's build a garden.
No, I just need the plate. I don't need to put that far.
Hmm?
Put that far. Far. Put it too close.
Yeah, put it too close and then you have to think about how you can do it nicely, right? Maybe this way. See?
Good job, Jeffrey.
Daddy, yeah.
Oh
Now
wow!
you put this. You didn't see me making your Daddy. How to put this?
Yeah.
That's not I need more
How to put this
flowers.
one? Ask Jeffrey. Jeffrey, how to put this? Help Cindy how to put this.
How to put
Like like what you did. Yeah. How you did this? Cindy want to make the same like yours.
Use that another one.
Show Cindy. Show Cindy. So you take it off and then show Cindy. Oh, this is the part that I need, right?
How to use
Yeah.
3 big one, or use 6
So
big.
you use 6 of this. Is that right?
No, the plate.
Oh, the plate?
Another big.
Another big plate. Oh, another big plate. Let me try to find it.
Then I need the plate. Need a short plate
Short one?
and too short.
Too short?
That.
Medium size?
Like this, putting it close.
I think it's the other way
And
around.
to you.
The other way around.
Face
You
to
have
each
to
other.
Face it inward. Yeah.
See. That one's yours, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. I love it.
That is mine, that's Daddy.
Okay.
What
Wow,
do
they
you
did it
do?
down too.
Yeah, that's my flower garden.
Right here.
Huh?
That one I built for Dad, and that one I built for Mommy.
Oh, thank you so much. That's lovely. just to make it look nicer, right? The garden is full of grass and flowers. That's not easy, I know. I helped Jeffrey with it. So you have to look at
Here.
these two
Three
studs
of them.
to be aligned with these two studs. All
No,
8 studs have to be aligned together. Yeah, like this.
You're just on the pool.
Mm-hmm.
So 2 are in. Because this is not easy to squeeze down, you know, because individual pieces it's like separate. Lego is really precise, right? So when it's combining studs that are not aligned, then you have to wiggle it so that you can get them all together. There you go.
Good job, Sandy.
It's like extra.
Yeah.
It needs something. Yeah. Put it right here. It needs something. Daddy, that's greener than green grass.
Yeah, that looks like a green grass. So you can get a plate that looks like a green grass.
I need the trees.
You need the tree. There you have the tree. You can put your laptop down.
Where's my tree? And that one. Plant. Seaweed.
Seaweed.
You have seaweed in your garden? That's kind of weird, Jeffrey, but that's okay.
I still want some. Green rice. Christmas tree. Grass.
And the last.
Seaweed. That's not. They're all exciting and yummy. And another peach nut. And you just blowing it. Ow!
Oh, they don't have space.
What?
Don't give their space. Cindy, don't give their space.
A little bit of space because they are too close to each other. They cannot grow. The plants need some space to grow, right? So you can put some space.
Put this.
Yeah, that's more better.
To put
That's
this.
better.
This is Jaeger. Yeah, the Jaeger. Tree. Where's tree?
You finish it?
What is this? That one with Jaeger sticks.
Wow, look, Jeffrey.
Look at mine. Look at mine.
That looks like a forest with a giant flower.
And the bat is hiding behind the tree. Bat is hiding behind the tree.
Where?
Here.
Oh, yo, there. Oh, bad.
Is it bad?
Yeah. Okay, what about daddy's?
Yeah, Daddy just got the same flower, 2 flowers, the grass, and one tiny little bee flying.
Where?
Where?
You have to make the bee. Remember the last time we got an episode of making the bee? Yes. So you have to look, watch that episode, watch the channel, find the channel, and you know how to make the bee.
I built 4 flowers and I put something on it. Looks like a flower on it. And I put 1 tree and the other tree's over there. And the bat is hiding in 1 tree. And this looks like a baby. Boop, boop, boop.
Baby tree.
And over here, there's a flower. And this is 2 rabbits.
Ooh, a rabbit. And
It
then?
looks like going in dangle.
Uh-huh.
And there's a cat over here.
Okay.
And the
Wow.
dog is over here.
Wow, it's a forest.
Over here,
Uh-huh.
the panda.
Panda. Oh, there, panda.
But not you like panda,
Okay.
you like a dog. And there looks like a shell in here.
Uh-huh. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. And then? That's the...
Purple tree look.
Uh-huh. Wow, so
I
beautiful
put
color.
this tree with the owl.
Wow, owl. Oh my god, that's a lot of things. Good job, Sandy. So how about you, Jeffrey? Jeffrey,
Jerry, you have to say what is it? I did another.
you built another one?
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake? You already done 2, right? 2 you already done 2 garden with the
You
flower.
have to tell what you're building over here.
Jeffrey, what do you
Birthday
build?
cake.
You built birthday cake? Yeah, but what you build on the table this?
Your
2
garden,
stuff.
your garden. You explain.
Can you
your part.
explain?
Him hiding.
Yeah, why? Why you hide it?
Because the bad guy don't see it.
Oh, bad guy can do see it. Okay. So what's inside? Flower, tree, and why you put the seaweed?
After that.
Oh, hiding.
Jerry, Mommy
I
said
think
why
it's
you
the
put
flowers.
seaweed. You have to tell Jeffrey.
So what's in your part? Can you tell like what did you put here in the part?
There was seaweed flower can stick, but one right here
Okay.
and one big one with that fit, with this showing this, and Jeffrey, you can put this. Did you put animals?
Okay.
I didn't put animals. I put animals. I put seaweed through my tree.
Oh, okay. That's also fine.
And I
So,
put 2 trees.
and a tree. Look at that.
Wow,
Big tree.
so big tree.
And what
I
about
put
the other?
big trash, but I did a big crap.
Okay.
That's fine.
That's like
And
a.
that one is Earth Moon Diamond. Like that is Christmas tree. That Christmas tree. That Christmas tree. That Christmas tree. And seaweed.
And
That
seaweed.
tree is from down.
Oh, okay. Good
With
job.
fire.
Good job.
The fire's camouflage.
Oh, I see. Good job. Very good job. You have all the gardens, the park, or whatever that is with the giant tree and giant flowers.
I can touch those.
This is the last one. We got 2
I can
flowers,
touch
1
those
bee,
leaves.
and some grass. My garden.
I can touch it like this. I can touch a leaf like this.
That's very bouncy.
Yeah, bouncy yuck.
All right. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye! Subscribe to my channel, please, 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 please. See you later. Gross.
You see, you did a very good job, right? Explaining everything, right? You see here? You see the bat hiding behind what else? What else did you explain? You got a flower.
Choose an
And the owl.
apple.